How you doing, Vince?
I'm good.
How long you been knowing karate?
22 years.
Almost as long as I've been alive. Try not to hurt me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a contest between Kung Fu and karate, 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 karate,